Hello YouTube, so I do another video here. If you've been following my YouTube channel, I have a working Bluetooth prototype that it's an interface board. This will be video number 4, I believe, on this. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate it hooked up to a handheld, and that way, if your repeater does not have direct hookups, you can use a handheld or a mobile radio and have that programmed to the repeater frequency, and you can get any repeater to use this Bluetooth interface board. So that's what this video is going to be demonstrating. Now, the last 2 videos, I did it with, one was a tablet, one was with a Alexa cancel. That's how we're going to be doing it today. Is I'm going to be using the Alexa cancel. And we're going to see if we can demonstrate that today. But instead of being hooked up to a repeater, we're going to be hooked up to this handheld. So this handheld are programmed this repeater frequency. This will be the receive. I'll put my microphone over this one here so you can hear how it sounds. But this is the handheld that's transmitting. As you can see, it's hooked up to the interface board here. And we're going to demonstrate the sound on this. Now, I think I mentioned this in another video, is if you're interested in this, I'll post a link down below where you can sign up to get notified if or when this becomes available. And I say if because I need to get enough people interested before I have it goes into a production run. So yeah, so if you want to share this video on social media, I would appreciate it. Hopefully get the numbers up there so that I can keep going forward with this. As I mentioned in another video, there's some more features I want to add to this, like a TOT timer in this built in. Although a lot of radios and repeaters already have that, some repeaters do not, like the Retevis here. So I want to do a TOT timer, so if anything, was to key up, it wouldn't keep it keyed up, it would time out. But I'm not going to add that and test it if I don't have enough people that are interested in this particular product idea. So it's very important you sign up. I'll post that link down below. Share this video on social media, please, and hopefully we'll get more people interested in this. So, at any rate, so there's that. I will also post a link to some other videos about this Bluetooth, and you can watch those too to see it work with a tablet. And all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and demonstrate this. I'm going to have it announce the weather over the two-way radio. I'll have that here. I'll do the weather in the next state over. And also I like to mention this is one way, meaning that if you have this Bluetooth to a tablet or to a phone or whatever the case may be, you cannot key up the radio and talk into it. It only receives whatever it's Bluetooth to. In this case, I'm using the Alexa cancel in this video demonstration. But you could have that announce weather announcements. You got to go into the app, the Alexa app, and set it to do announcing, not notify with the little flashy orange light. Like I said, and I can get into that more if we get to this into a production run. So, at any rate, let's go ahead and get this demonstration done with. So I'll take this headset off. I will put it by, this is the receive radio. This is the transmit radio. Like I said, both of these are programmed to this repeater frequency. So if you have a repeater that don't have hookups, you can do it this way. Or it could be a mobile. You could use a mobile radio too, for that matter. So, all right, let's go ahead. Alexa, what's the current weather in Winona, Minnesota?
Currently, in Winona, Minnesota, it's 10 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Today, you can expect mostly sunny weather, with a high of 15 degrees and a low of 10 degrees.
So hopefully that comes over this video decently. It's sounding really good. It's working really well with the handheld. Very simple to hook up. And I'd like to also mention, too, if we get to the point where I start doing a production run, I will make a video on how to hook up a handheld, how to hook up a mobile radio, how to hook up a repeater. I'm going to make a how-to video, real easy, so that you can follow along to be able to hook it up to the device you want. I will have some cables available, but obviously I only have certain repeaters here that I can pre-make a cable for. So, but I will do that video if we get that far with this Bluetooth interface board. So there you have it. I'll post a link where you can sign up to get notified. That also lets me know how many people are interested. So it's very important that you sign up if you want this project to go forward. If you have any questions or comments, please post that down below. Please subscribe. Thank you and have yourself a good day. Oh, and happy holidays also. Thank you.